What if great design wasn't at the cost of overtime? We are design tools reduce complexity instead of adding it. Announcing Snaptrude AI, a smarter way to design. Now, architects can prompt, iterate, and visualize concepts all in one place. With just an RFP or program sheet, you can instantly generate spatial arrangements and massing studies using Snaptrude's built-in AI. It's your new assistant, ready for any typology. Tired of slow project kickoffs with pages of zoning research? Use Snaptrude's architectural intelligence to create instant site analysis and check local zoning in real time. With live data right at your fingertips, time spent flipping through code and scrolling through spreadsheets can now be put back into design without the overtime. With Snaptrude AI, the overtime ends where modeling meets intelligence. Snaptrude AI, available now.